So today we'll be solving the problem number 3612. The title is process string with special operations 1. So this problem is asked in the weekly context 458. So if you have given the context, that's very nice, and if you are able to solve the problem, that is also very nice, and if you are not able to solve the problem, let's solve it. So let's go through the instructions. So we have a couple of instructions here. So we have to first read and understand the question properly, then we have to go through the input and output, we have to check constraints and reread the question if required. Okay, let's start. So you are given a string as consisting of lowercase English letters and special characters. Nice. Build a new string result, okay, by processing s according to the following rules. Okay, if the letter is lowercase English letter, append it, nothing to do, append it. If star a star removes the last character from result. Okay, so if star is given, I have to remove the last character. If hash is given, I have to duplicate the string. I have to just copy the string and duplicate it, double it. If modulo is given, if percentage sign is given, I have to reverse the current result. Nice. Okay, got it. Return the final string after processing all characters. Okay, nice. I have to return it. So here I have given some string and output is b. Let's try to see how answer is coming. So first we have this a character, so we just append it because it's a alphabet character we have given here. Nice. The next is hash, so we have to duplicate a string. Okay, we will duplicate it. The next is b. Okay, we will just append it. Next is modulo or percentage, so we have to reverse the result, so we will reverse it. Okay, this is reversed. Nice. And star means remove this last character. Okay, we have removed it, so final answer becomes ba. So similarly, let's go through one more test case. So z star hash, which means so z will be appended, then last character will be removed, and empty string will be reversed. Okay, so okay, I think constraints, let's check constraints. Okay, we have very small constraints, so I think any brute force can definitely work here. So we have to try run at least one example and try to solve the problem. Think of brute force, check the constraint, and try to optimize it. Nice. So let's try to try run one example quickly because this is simple problem. A hash b percentage star. I think you guys can able to see my screen, this blackboard now. A hash b modulo. Sorry for this bad writing, just a minute. A hash b, what was star. Nice. So we have here, so we can definitely, our answer looks like this, so we can definitely append it. Okay, so my answer looks like this. Now I will go here, I have to double it, I have to duplicate this string. So if ab is present, so I will ab will convert it to ab. So this is the meaning of this hash. So I have to just duplicate this one. B is given, so okay, I will duplicate it. If modulo is given, modulo means I have to reverse it, right? So BAA. Nice. And this star means BA. Okay, I think the problem is pretty clear to me. It's very easy problem. I don't think you guys having any doubt. So let's try to solve it. So as you guys know, Python strings are immutable, so we can't directly let's say if some strings are something like this, and if we have to change this a to, let's say, b, we can't directly do that. We have to take this string ad, then we have to add b, and then we have to remove, like, add this part, add the front part, back part, and we have to place it in between because strings are immutable, so we can't do direct operations on string, but lists are immutable. So what I will be doing is, I will be doing something like this. So if my input string is this, I will, and my result is this, so I will not try to build the result in form of strings in place. instead of this I will try to do something like this. I will have an empty list for now, empty list in beginning. So as soon as I will reach here, let's set this place, so I will add a here. If I reach here I have to double it, so I will do a something like this. If I have to add b here, then I will add something like this. So this is, each part is a string, if you can see. So this way the operations will be very fast. If I have modulo, I have to reverse it, I will reverse the list. Okay, so that will be very easy for me. If I have a star here, so Python list r can be act as a stack, so we can definitely pop this one and my final list will become like this, and this will be my answer. So in the last I will convert this to string. Okay, let's quickly code it and see. So I will define my list here, then I will try to iterate over the string s, and I will check if character not in what is given to me, star, hash and modulo. If that character doesn't lie in this, that means definitely that character is a lowercase alphabet. I can definitely append it. Otherwise, if that character is equal to star, then I need to remove the last character. Let's do it. But so I have given here, if you read it properly, I have to remove the last character from result if it exists. That means there can be some situation where it can't be, like the list is empty. So in that case I have to check if length of list is greater than 0, then only I will apply this operation. Nice. If character equal to hash, then what I need to do, I need to duplicate the list. So what I will be doing is I will be duplicating list like this. You can do any other method also, but this is simple to understand. And if it's not hash, it's not star, and it's not character as well, I mean lowercase alphabet, then it must be modulo. So in that case what I need to do, I need to reverse it. So for reversing I will be using this operator. This is a special thing available in Python just to reverse the list quickly. Nice. So I will be storing answer like this. So I have written something like this. What does it mean? It basically means that so basically all the list elements, something like this. Let's say I have a list like this, a b c d, both are character, like each value is string basically. And if I write something like this, so what it will do, it will append all of this and my resultant will be abcd. So this is a simple method to convert the list into a string. So I will simply return the answer. Let's try to run it, how it's going. Okay, I think it's working fine. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working. So I hope you got it, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment down, and I will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you very much.